To get KuCoin on your iPhone, start by opening the App Store, which is a blue icon with a white A inside, typically found on your home screen. Once the App Store is open, tap on the Search tab at the bottom of the screen and type KuCoin in the search bar. Select the KuCoin app from the search results. It should be the first result. And then tap the Get button next to the KuCoin logo. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password or use Touch ID or Face ID to authenticate the download. Wait for the app to download and install. This should only take a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, tap the Open button to launch the KuCoin app. You will be presented with a welcome screen. Tap on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your email address, password, and referral code if you have one. Verify your email address by clicking on the verification link sent to you by KuCoin. This is an important step to secure your account. After verifying your email, you will be asked to set up two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security to your account. You can now log into your KuCoin account and start exploring the app. The KuCoin app allows you to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies, as well as access other features such as futures trading and staking. To ensure the security of your account, always use a strong password, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your iPhone and the KuCoin app up to date. By following these steps, you can easily get KuCoin on your iPhone and start using it to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio.